Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, the focus is on a crucial accessory for anyone using the Brookstone iConvert 771237 S400 scanner, the J-ZMQER USB cable laptop PC power cord lead. This isn't just any generic cable. It's specifically designed to ensure seamless power and data transfer for this particular scanner, making it an indispensable item for maintaining your device's functionality. One of the standout features of this J-ZMQER cable is its unwavering commitment to safety. The manufacturer highlights that their products comply with top industry standards, backed by international quality certification. This isn't just marketing fluff. It translates into tangible protection for both the user and the connected device. The cable incorporates multiple safety mechanisms, including robust protection against short-circuiting, which can be a common concern with power accessories. Furthermore, it guards against overvoltage and overcurrent, preventing potential damage from power fluctuations. An often overlooked but vital feature is its internal overheating protection, ensuring the cable remains cool and safe even during extended use. These comprehensive safety measures provide significant peace of mind, knowing that the scanner is powered reliably and securely. The cable itself is presented in a sleek black color, offering a professional and unobtrusive look that blends well with most setups. Its input voltage compatibility spans from 100V to 240V at 5060 Hz, which means it's suitable for use in various regions without needing additional voltage converters, making it a versatile choice for users who might travel or operate in different environments. When considering a power cord for a specific device like the Brookstone iConvert S400 scanner, precision is key. The J-ZMQER cable emphasizes the importance of choosing the right device before purchasing, a testament to its tailored design. This ensures optimal performance and avoids any compatibility issues that could arise from using a generic alternative. Users can expect to experience high-speed charging and reliable power delivery, contributing to an ideal daily workflow and ensuring the scanner is always ready when needed. The convenience offered by a dedicated, high-quality power solution like this cannot be overstated, simplifying connectivity and enhancing the overall user experience. It truly aims to provide a hassle-free and efficient power solution for the specified scanner.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.